The euro and the pound sterling had time to slump and recover even before Western countries announced sanctions against Russia. In other words, market participants had priced in sanctions well in advance. There is no wonder that the euro and the pound sterling dropped. The fact is that new sanctions against Russia will also hit Europe. Judging by the situation with the Crimea, Europe may suffer from sanctions even more than Russia. In addition, Moscow warned about responsive actions. Such a possibility is exerting pressure on the main European countries, thus capping their potential for growth. What's more, the conflict has just begun and it's far from resolution. And this fact is creating numerous risks, which are baffling investors. And now let us focus on the trading charts. The euro-dollar pair hit a new low of the downtrend at 1.1121. However, it failed to fix below the mentioned level. As a result, the volume of short positions dropped, thus causing a technical correction. Under the current conditions, we may say that high speculative activity is shaping the market sentiment. The correctional movement is still intact. The quote returned to 1.1230 where it stagnated. If the price fails to consolidate above 1.1250 on the 4-hour chart, the volume of short positions may jump. In this case, sellers will have a chance to test the support level of 1.1121. The alternative scenario will become possible. If the correction continues, thus allowing the price to consolidate above 1.1250 on the 4-hour chart. In this case, the euro-dollar pair may climb to 1.1280 and 1.1350. In the last 2 days, the pound sterling has lost more than 300 pips against the US dollar amid high speculative activity. As a result, the pair dropped to a fresh low of 2022. In addition, short positions became overheated, thus causing a rebound. It's quite possible that traders will maintain their interest in the US dollar. That's why the price fixation below 1.3350 may lead to a new decline. And that's all for now. We continue to learn developments in financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and learn financial news with us. See you!